Hello and welcome to this AutoCAD 2010 demonstration for my training course. So this is AutoCAD 2010. This is the construction part, this is the editing part, and these are layers. But first of all, I would like to show you is we can go back to the AutoCAD classic version. So if you click on 2D drafting and annotation, we can go to AutoCAD classic. The best thing about this is that you don't need to know the AutoCAD 2010 menu all, so it takes you back to the classic version of AutoCAD, which is from release 14 till 2009. So people who are familiar with this menu are used to of this thing can use the classic version also. So that's a very good thing in AutoCAD 2010. So we can go back to 2D drafting and annotation. And here what we see is loading. These are construction. We can create arcs. There are so many options for arcs. Circle we can create by center radius or center diameter. Tangent, 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 tangent radius. So we need to first of all make the menu bar open, so we type in menu bar 1, so we get the menu bar here. So these are the menus, all these menus are here, so we will go in detail later on. So what I will do is I will like to show you a quick sample. Go to rectangle, click on the screen, we say 4 inches by 4 inches, and we can say zoom extent. So this is a rectangle of 4 inches by 4. Now I want to make holes in this rectangle. You can assume it as a plate. So we go to modify, explode this rectangle so it becomes separate, and we go to offset, and we can say offset distance of 0.5. This one here, this here, this here, and this here, and we can do another offset to get a hole in the center of 2. So we click here, we click here, so this is in the center. Now I go to circle, center diameter at this point. Now you can see this is the object snap. I will go that later on. So we can give 0.5. So this is the circle. Now we can just simply copy this, enter from the center point to this point, to this point, and to this point, and at the center. Now we can simply delete this offset or the construction lines. They were just to find the exact location of the circle. So I select them and delete. Now what I would like to show you is sorry, dimensioning. So dimension linear from this point to this point. This is 4. Dimension linear from this point to this point. This is 4. Sorry, I picked the above part. You have to be careful with the snap. So this is exact. So this is 4. Now dimension diameter, this one, this is 0.5. Now we can say typical, as all the whole dias are the same, so we can just say 0.5, and we can go down where the diameter is. There's a lot of many options in here. We will discuss that later on. Now we can go to text override. Now we can go here, and there are some symbols. We have to write %, %C 0.5 TYP. So this is %C is the short form for diameter symbol. So we click here and we close this. So now you can see it's dia 0.5 typical. So this was just a basic, simple, very easy part you can say I made. And now I would like to show you some 3D modeling. You can create a rectangle and you can go to draw, modeling, extrude, and we can now it's 3D modeler because it's a very big file of the modeling database. It has all the 3D models, so it takes some time. So let me see it's picking or not. Still now it's loaded. So we pick this, enter, and we go to 1 is the extrusion depth. We go to view, 3D views, southwest isometric, and view visual styles, conceptual. So this is the 3D part we made it now. So this is rendered. Now we can go to draw, circle, center radius at this point, make a circle. Now we can go to draw, modeling, extrude this and go down, enter. So we can go till here. Now you can simply go to modify, solids editing, subtract this, enter with this. So now we can go to view and just see how it looks like. So this was just a simple basic demo for AutoCAD 2010. So now you have seen a little bit of it, but if you can meet me and I can show you more, and then we can go from there and you can take the course. So thank you very much for your interest, and if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you. Bye.